Hey guys, so one of the most common questions that I get is how do I start selling on Amazon? So you can actually make a Seller Central account for free. And once you do that, you can download the Seller Central app and utilize it to scan items in any store that you may be in. And I wanted to show you really quick how you can do that using nothing but the Seller Central app. I do use a couple paid programs, but I want to show you a free way to do this just so you can kind of get a feel for it. You can go into stores and start scanning things and checking to see what's profitable and what you may be able to resell. I'm also going to leave a link in my bio of a lot of items that we use around our warehouse on a regular basis. Now, not all of these things are going to be necessities, but it's definitely all things that I personally think are more than worth investing in. Some things you're definitely going to need off the start, such as boxes, bubble wrap, poly bags, shipping scales, tape, maybe a tabletop tape dispenser. And then we have some luxury things like thermal laser printers and barcode scanners. Like I said, you don't need those things, but they're definitely worth the investment once you get to the point of being able to sink a little bit of money in something other than products. Okay, so I've got this 4-cup cordless electric kettle that I found at Marshall's. This was actually in the clearance section, and we got this for $24. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up the Seller Central app. You're going to go in the top right corner where this little camera is. You're going to hit that. It's going to open up your camera. Wow, that scanned that from that far away. Anyway, scan the barcode on there. So we want to make sure this is the same item. So same name, everything looks good. Looks to be the same item. It looks like this is a sales rank of 32,672 right now. So I know that means absolutely nothing to you, but we'll get back to that. Down here where it says sell and it doesn't say request, that means that we are allowed to sell this item. If you're not allowed to sell it, it'll say request on there. I always just go ahead and see if I can request to sell an item. You may or may not be able to, but you might as well go ahead since you're already here. So we're allowed to sell this. Let's go ahead and click the item right there. And then we're going to go down here and we're going to click this, and it's going to bring this screen up. So a mistake that I had made on a previous video that I made, I scanned the item and I had actually checked seller fulfilled, but FBA means that it is Amazon fulfilled. So make sure that you've got it on Amazon fulfillment, because it won't show you the FBA fees if you have it on seller fulfilled. So it will look like you're making more money on there than you actually are on Amazon FBA. So that's something that you got to look out for right there. So what we're going to do here is, it says cost of purchase, and again we paid $24 for this item. So we're going to go ahead and plug $24 in right there, and it shows that we make $12.02 on this item. Now that's pretty decent profit considering how easy of an item this will be to process. I mean, the only thing that this is going to need is the Marshall stickers removed from the bottom of it, a product label, and a label covering that barcode there. And that is a rule with Amazon. Anytime you send product in, you can't have any barcode showing, but most of the time you can just go ahead and slap your product label over top of that barcode, and that'll be sufficient. Now, something else that we need to check for is we do make decent profit on this, but how many times are we realistically going to be able to sell this per month? So what we're going to do to check the sales per month, we're going to go back and we're going to look at that rank, which was 32,672 in kitchen. And then you're going to go and Google the Jungle Scout Sales Estimator tool. Now, this is a free tool that Jungle Scout offers that will allow you to put the rank of the product in and the category, and it will tell you how many times that product's going to sell per month. So let's go back. That was 32,672. Let's punch that in here. 32,672. That is going to be in the United States marketplace, and that was in home and kitchen. So we'll hit home and kitchen, then we just hit calculate sales. So it's looking like at that rank the product sells around 480 times per month. So that's going to be 480 times per month split between all the sellers that are around the same price that is currently in the buy box. So let's go back to the Seller Central app, and it looks like our low price on the buy box is $49.46. So what we're going to want to do is right here where it says 17 offers from $49.46, go ahead and click that there, and it's going to show us all the people that are selling this. Now, we're only concerned with the people that are selling this item as new. on Amazon Prime and very close to what the buy box price is. So right here we've got one person selling at $49.46, two people, this one guy's at $49.55, $49.69. Just to be safe, this guy at $49.55 and $49.69, let's just go ahead and assume that they're willing to drop down to $49.46 to match those people to get the buy box. So let's count 4 people selling it right now, and then we're going to be the 5th person on there. So we're going to take the 480 sales that does per month, and we're going to divide it by 5 people. So we'll do 480 divided by 5, which gives us around 96 sales per month. Now, realistically, I'm not going to be able to source 96 of these per month, but that does let me know that, you know, I think I bought like 8 or 9 of them. That's letting me know that I'm definitely going to be able to move those 8 or 9, most likely within the next 30 days. So that seems like a good buy. You know, if I can go ahead and grab those, flip all those in a month for $12 a piece profit, that was, you know, pretty good profit for not a lot of work on my part. So all in all, this was definitely a good buy. So I know that wasn't a super in-depth look into it, but I just wanted to put something out there just to kind of show you guys that it's a lot more intimidating than it really is. And if you know how to use a smartphone, you are more than capable of scanning things and checking for profit. You can do this. It's just foreign to you, and like anything, you know, the beginning is the scariest part. So my advice to anybody that wants to start selling on Amazon is make a free account and just go out there and start scanning shit. Just put the first foot forward. Whether or not you buy anything, just start scanning things, get familiar with ranks, get familiar with what items are popular, but just do something to get yourself started, and the rest is a domino effect. You know, once you get out there, find a couple good products to flip, it's like a drug, you know, it's an addiction. You make a couple good flips and then you're going out to stores at, you know, 12 o'clock at night and scanning every damn thing on the shelves just to see if you can make a couple bucks at midnight at a Walmart because you don't have anything better to do. But if this is a video that has helped you out or has, you know, answered anything for you, drop a comment below. I definitely appreciate you guys for watching, and all of you guys for following this page. This has been an insane journey for me and my partners, and I'm really excited to share more information about my business and the way that we do things with you guys and growing together.